Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is significant figures. And the first thing to know is they are not the same as decimal places. By the end of this video, you'll know what counts as significant, what doesn't, and how to round to any number of sig figs without wobbling. Significant figures are the meaningful digits of a number, starting from the first non-zero digit. That first non-zero digit is your starting point. Everything from there onwards, including any zeros in the middle and at the end, counts. The point is to capture the precision of a measurement, not its size. Here's the key insight. Leading zeros don't count. They're just placeholders telling you the magnitude. So 0.00407 has three significant figures: the 4, the 0 in the middle, and the 7. Internal zeros count. Trailing zeros after a decimal point count 2. 6.0 is 2 sig figs, not 1. That trailing zero is significant. Common slip: rounding 0.00407 to 2 sig figs gives 0.0041, not 0.00. And don't drop trailing significant zeros. 6.0 is 2 sig figs. If you write it as just 6, you've lost a piece of precision. Examiners spot that immediately. Quick example: 23,476 to 3 sig figs is 23,500. Round the fourth digit, keep 3 meaningful digits. 0.05089 to 2 sig figs is 0.051. And 1,234,567 to 1 sig fig is just 1 million.